Step into the 2009 BMW X5 xDrive 48i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power windows, driver airbag, HID headlights, headlights auto leveling, passenger airbag sensor, front reading lamps, and MP3 player. This opportunity won't last. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.